and then it's gonna be fun. So now I'm doing this coat. So I'm at my room doing this coat.
So show them
Here's my makeup.
It
So
is.
It just fell. So now look at it. Ta-da!
And show them your brushes.
Was sparkly. And look at my brushes. They're here. And I'm gonna use this one.
Okay. Doon sa mata mo. Purple daw, purple. Next, we get the smaller one.
This one.
And show them the brush.
You guys, look.
Show them what color you picked.
I choose purple.
So this one. More.
I'm
On
putting
your lashes.
mascara on my
Lashes. So you have to look down. Oh. So sa lashes lang ha. Let me help you.
Can't do it.
Look down. Oh, hindi ganun. Yung mata mo lang. Tell them.
Hi guys, I'm using lipstick now. So, this one. It's not the same as the girl. So, look, it's pink too.
It's pink too.
But not the same because this one is not as sparklish. Guys, do you think I look pretty? Comment down below. Press the subscribe button.
Oh, she's asking them to subscribe.
Subscribe on my channel. We'll see you.
She's done.
Naruto time. Bye.
Done ka na.
Look.
Wow. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I think I want the glittery ones.
That's gonna be for your next tutorial. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Flying
See you
kiss.
tomorrow.